That's just a few of the sights and scenes and very fresh food. Located very close to the bus terminal in Otavalo. Too bad you can't smell it, especially the meat. So I just dropped off Mom and got her on a bus safely headed to Quito for her last day before she returns back to the States. And I'm enjoying a walk back toward El Centro. Isn't it great? Don't you wish you were here too? You could be. It doesn't cost a fortune. It's actually cheaper than wintering in the United States. Look at those onions and garlic or ajo. See. Cilantro. Pretty cool. And construction. Panderia. So, hope you guys are enjoying your early spring. Stay warm. I'll see y'all in about a month. If you want to come rafting with me, shoot me a message. I'll give you some details when I'll be back and what dates I'm available. Peace out from Otavalo, Ecuador.